you, sir, madam. I'm Jennifer Evangelista, 31 years old, separated. I have 2 children. I am a high school graduate.
Hi, Miss Jennifer. How are you right now?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, I'm honest, hardworking, patient, and loyal.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I take care of the children. I give them medicine when I'm sick. Play with them. I give them vitamins every day and think about every day.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will say sorry and not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to the employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me. I need a job for my family. And I promise I finish 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.